Hello dear students, how are you all? Today let us study English 2, lesson number 27, comprehension. Before I start the lesson, I would like to tell you about what does comprehension mean. Comprehension means understanding what we read, or it is the ability to understand something. It is a kind of activity in which we read a passage, paragraph or poem and answer the questions based on the passage, paragraph or poem we have read. There are some steps to be followed when we do comprehension. Step number 1. Read the passage to get the general idea. Number 2. Read again second time more closely. Number 3. Highlight the important points. Number 4. Look at the questions and reread to find out their answers. Number 5. Write your answers. So this is the passage on page number 91. Let us read. Squirrels are funny animals with bushy tails. Bushy means thick tails. They usually eat fruit, nuts and seeds. So what do they eat? Fruit, nuts or seeds. Most squirrels live in trees. There are several kinds of tree squirrels. The red squirrel lives in Europe and Asia. The North American grey squirrel has spread to other countries. Flying squirrels can glide from the tops of trees using the folds of skin between the legs as wings. So where do we find red squirrels? In Europe and Asia. Then North American grey squirrels are spread in other countries also. And what is the special features about flying squirrels? They can glide. Glide means they move smoothly. From where? They can glide smooth. Glide means move smoothly from the tops of trees using the folds of skin between the legs as wings. Some kinds of squirrels like chipmunks live in the ground. Like rats, they live in holes. They have shorter tails and never climb trees. Now again let us read paragraph wise and underline all the important points. Squirrels are funny animals with bushy tails. So this is important. Underline. They usually eat fruit, nuts and seeds. So what do they eat? Fruit, nuts and seeds. Underline this. Now read the second paragraph. Most squirrels live in trees. There are several kinds of tree squirrels. The red squirrels lives in Europe and Asia. So where do we find red squirrels? In Europe and in Asia. So underline these two places' name. The North American grey squirrels has spread to other countries. Grey squirrels are found in North America as well as they are spread to other countries. This also you underline. Flying squirrels can glide from the tops of trees using the folds of skin between the legs as wings. So what special features these flying squirrels have? They can glide. Glide means move smoothly. From where? From the tops of the trees. So what do they use to glide? They use their folds of skin which they have in between the legs as wings. So now you underline this sentence also. See the last paragraph. Some kinds of squirrels like chipmunks live in the ground. So which squirrels are found in the ground? Yes, chipmunks. You underline. Like rats, they live in holes. They have shorter tails and never climb trees. So which squirrels having shorter tails? Yes, chipmunks have shorter tails. Now try to answer this question. Squirrels have, so where we will find this answer? Yes, in the first paragraph. Squirrels have dash tails, bushy tails. Now question number 2. Red squirrels live in Asia and second paragraph and in Europe. Yes, correct. Now grey squirrels live in North America and also spread to other countries. Now see the last question. Squirrels eat, what do they eat? Fruit, nuts and seeds. Now this is the question number B. How can flying squirrels glide from the tops of the trees? So what special features these flying squirrels have? Let us find out. Flying squirrels can glide from the tops of trees using the folds of skin between the legs as wings. So this is the answer. Question number 2. Do chipmunks live in trees or in the ground? Yes, chipmunks live in the grounds. Write the answer. Which have shorter tails, tree squirrels or ground squirrels? This is in last paragraph. Yes, chipmunks have shorter tails. So with this, I am end up with this video. Hope you all like it. Thanks for watching.